Welcome to Trend Update. My name is Trend. There's been a lot of news in the crypto market since yesterday. That's why you're seeing this volatility here on the Bitcoin chart. Yesterday, we have a massive important news from Donald Trump concerning the ETF on Europe, and as well, we can see greater numbers coming from the ETF alone, and as well, new price target is being formed on the liquidation mark of BTC. Stay with me because in the moment I will share with you this new pattern that is showing up on BTC daily chart and as well coming up on the ETH chart as well. Stay with me and watch to the end, and as well subscribe and like the video so that I can make more of these. Before looking at Bitcoin chart today, let's take a look at some important news. Yesterday, we saw a massive outflow from the ETF, totaling the amount of $708 million from that was withdrawn from the ETF yesterday, 21st January 2026. I think some investors are in a panic mode currently. That is why you're seeing this outflow from the ETF. Then taking you further into Donald Trump news concerning the ETF that was imposed on Europe. Donald Trump yesterday came out and said they have found a common ground and a proper understanding between themselves concerning the acquisition of Greenland. So this caused a massive volatility yesterday, making BTC to first of all dump to the downside, then move up again within minutes of the news once it came out. Then taking you into the liquidation mark of BTC, we can see that a new price target is forming on BTC. We came down here, we took this liquidity here that was sitting at 89k. Now we're forming a new price target here sitting at 85k 800 approximately, and now we still have a little bit of price here, a little bit of liquidation here sitting at 72,500. Then we still have a new one here forming at 70,300 approximately. These are the new price target that has been forming on the liquidation map. Usually wherever there is liquidity, BTC normally come down to take the liquidity before moving upwards. I'm not saying it's going to dump, but usually it comes down to where liquidity is before moving forward. Now, taking a look at BTC on the daily, there's a new price pattern that has been forming on the BTC on the daily. We can see that here we're having the ascending channel, which is kind of bearish. If we break below this support channel here sitting at 88k approximately, and also we can see that we have tested here for about 4 times now, and we bounce out of it here, and as well here. Then looking at the top, which is the resistance, you can see that we have also reject from here, and here, which is also 4 times. If BTC is unable to defend this key support zone here, the next price target to look into is around 53 to 54k on the BTC because of this chart pattern that has been forming on the BTC chart. We can see that the price target is approximately 54,500. If we are unable to defend this support zone here, if we're unable to defend this support zone here, BTC might come down to come and test liquid. I'm not saying it's going to come down, but this is the player from this chart pattern if we're unable to hold the key support zone here. And if we break down here, my price target to start my accumulation is I'll be watching this zone here at 77,000 to 74,000, and as well here 73 to 58,000. This is where I will begin my accumulation in the form of DCA, and the more price dip, the more I will be buying if there's a breakdown below this key level of support here. Now, taking a look at it, Ethereum, the same pattern is forming as well on the Ethereum chart and daily. Same pattern is forming as well, and if you're unable to hold this key support zone as well, we might come down to come and test some low levels on ETH. The price target should be somewhere around here, approximately the price target should be at 1,450. If we are unable to defend this key support zone, right, that we are defending right now, if we're unable to defend it and we broke down below it, this is going to be the price target for this sharp pattern that is playing at, which also matches with this key support zone here on the daily that has been sitting here with this support zone here. Let me draw it out. Yeah, this is going to be the next price target if we are unable to defend this key level of support due to this price pattern that is forming on the ETH chart. Zooming into the lower time frame on ETH chart, we can see that yesterday, due to the news, the tariff news, and a lot of crypto volatility, we saw the price come down here to come and grab the liquidity that has been sitting at 2,927 to 2,900, which I said yesterday on my video that we might come down here, grab the liquidity before heading upwards. And we can see that the RSI hit the oversold region. And now we're trying to reset the RSI in order to find and get more liquidity or strength, see that to move and test our key resistance here, or maybe we might come down here to test this key level of support on the ETH chart. So this is it for ETH. Then zooming out to Solana chart on the daily, we can see that no much has changed on Solana since yesterday. Where we made an update on it, we are still here testing our key level of support here, sitting at $128 to $122, and I can see that we are defending this area pretty well. We are defending it pretty well, and if we are able to defend it like what we are doing now, we might come down here to test our key level of resistance that is sitting at 155 to 158. And I want you to know that whatever BTC is doing here, Solana will as well be doing it. So if we see a dump on BTC, we also see a dump on Solana as well. But Solana is doing well, defending this level of support. That is it for today. Please subscribe, like, and comment your opinion below.